There are 7.75 billion people on this planet. 7.75 billion people with their own culture, language, thoughts, and beliefs. And you have to think, with all this diversity and incomprehensible number of differences, there's still one thing we have in common: environments. Most of our lives are spent within interiors. Environments are essential, spaces are significant. Our health, mentality, relationships, and overall well-being relies on the surroundings in which we inhabit. I'm drawn to universal spaces used by anyone and everyone. What's a better life passion than to design environments that better the human experience? My name's Olivia, and I'm a designer dedicated to making a difference. Growing up in New York ingrained a special sense of curiosity and appetite for discovery. Since I was young, I've been fascinated by the world of interior design and arts. I'm intrigued by the process of nothing important to something significant, beautiful, or captivating. Anything imaginative I've delved into, from drawing to performing to writing. I really thrive off being a chef in creation. As a third-year student in the BA Interior Design program at FIT, I'm pushing to innovate spaces that drive my design philosophy of helping and supporting others. And what's a better way to accomplish this goal than by taking risks and experiencing life from different perspectives? This year, I made the leap to study abroad in Florence. Distancing myself from what I've known has also clarified that design is a universal language spoken globally. For all these reasons, my project submission to Gensler is an important representation of what I aspire to contribute to the industry. As most of us are familiar, the housing crisis continues to command New York City. My partner and I were tasked to create a group residence to house homeless men who are re-entering society after serving sentences in the United States correctional system. After several weeks of research, interviews, and site visits, we dedicated our design to the nonprofit organization of the Fortune Society. Men who become involved with the Fortune Society bring hope, aspiration, and determination. However, there's an absence of resources, support, and guidance in their lives. We propose a home that generates a unique experience for these former inmates through functional and intentional design. To address their structural needs, we'll introduce an inviting environment with the progression of independence for their incoming residents. With consideration for unstable residents, I developed an orthogonal and logical floor plan that emphasizes rectilinear systemized spaces to avoid confusion, promote quicker adjustment, and allow for ADA compliance. Later in this form contains a delineation of private, semi-private, and public spaces that interact in a donut shape to provide full circulation accessibility. Each configuration is repeated on all levels for consistency and structure throughout the space. The materiality is reminiscent of the outdoors, with use of sustainable materials, living plants, and color compositions. Plants are essential to wellness by bringing the exterior in, which residents have been deprived of during their prison sentences. An earthly, minimal palette is used to avoid overstimulating residents and provide a sense of unity and harmony throughout the space. The entry space provides a welcoming environment while serving the function for security and privacy. The green wall sets the tone for the home, neglecting any logos to avoid making the group home feel institutional. The sitting room is usable for awaiting guests or lounging residents. The refined palette, in addition to the ambient lighting, is essential to creating a comfortable and settling environment. The dining room, shared by residents for group meals and gatherings, provides a sense of community and flexibility, as the tables could be arranged to join together or spread apart. The kitchen is designed to be a fully serendipitous space equipped to encourage residents to prepare healthy group meals. A more informal seating solution is important to allow for more casual conversation and cooking. Lastly, in the public spaces, we have a full library to assist residents in applying for jobs, achieving educational goals, or individual learning. The progression of independence is introduced with each residential floor to accommodate the different spectrums of self-sufficiency. While bedroom compositions change, there's a consistent, inclusive hangout and living area on every floor, open to all residents to inspire hope, harmony, and friendship. The second floor will house double bedrooms with a shared bathroom and a kitchen for men only focusing on themselves in the beginning of the program. Shared spaces are ideal for creating relationships with others going through the same situation, as well as roommates to avoid isolation and encourage support. The third floor is similar, however we move the shared bathroom and the personal bathroom within each double bedroom. Lastly, the fourth floor houses all independent apartments equipped with private bathrooms and kitchens. Men on this floor are graduating from the Fortune Society or have families that need a private place to visit. This floor is fundamental to the program, ensuring all graduates can sustain a healthy, positive, independent lifestyle. Ultimately, this home for the Fortune Society is a great representation of my design philosophies and goals. As an aspiring designer, passionate about making a difference, Gensler is the best firm in the world to make this a reality. As we know it, design is much more than the finished product. It's about the lives you impact and the spatial relationship you create with users. I believe Gensler is this philosophy, and I want to belong in that journey. My name is Olivia Raynor, and it'd be my biggest accomplishment to join Gensler in changing the world one environment at a time.